Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add footer from third page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add footer from third page. Firstly, create some page. Press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then we can see here we insert 3 page. Now we want to add footer from third page. Go to the second page, then click the layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu and choose continuous. Then go to the third page and click the breaks drop down menu and choose continuous. Then go back the insert menu and click footer option, then choose blank footer, then write footer text. Then click the second page and click link to previous. Then select the footer text and delete it. Click the third page and click link to previous. Then delete the second page footer and go to the first page footer and delete it. Then go to the close header and footer option and close it. Now we can see here we add footer from third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.